In this video, I'll show you how to add and reply to comments in Google Docs. Comments are one of the easiest ways to collaborate in Google Docs without changing the main text directly. Google says you can add comments to selected text, reply to existing comments, resolve them when the discussion is finished, and even mention someone with an @ sign so they get notified. First, open your Google Doc and highlight the text you want to comment on. Then click the Add Comment button in the toolbar, or right-click the selected text and choose Comment. A comment box will appear on the side. Type your message there, then click Comment to post it. Google says comments can be attached to selected text, images, and other content in Google Files. If you want to notify a specific person, type it followed by their name or email address inside the comment. Google says this makes the comment visible to that person and sends them an email notification. That is helpful when you want feedback from a teammate, client, or classmate on one exact part of the document. Now let's reply to a comment. Click the existing comment on the side of the document. Then click Reply, type your response, and click Reply again to post it. Google says anyone with comment or edit permission can reply to comments. And in Docs, you may also see smart reply suggestions at the bottom of the reply box. Once the conversation is finished, you can close the thread. Google says you do this by opening the comment and clicking Resolve in the top corner. The comment disappears from the active view, but it is not gone forever. You can still reopen resolved comments later from the Comments button at the top right of the document. If you are using the mobile app, the steps are a little different. On Android or iPhone, Google says you open the file in the Google Docs app, select the text, tap Insert or the plus button, choose Comment, type your note, and save it. To reply, tap the text with the comment, open View, Comment, then tap Reply, and enter your response. So the full process is simple. Highlight the text, add your comment, use @ to notify someone if needed, click an existing comment to reply, and resolve the thread when the discussion is done. That's how to add and reply to comments in Google Docs. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.